Hi beauties, welcome back. As an avid skincare enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for innovative products that can elevate my skincare routine. When I stumbled upon Anua's Nano Retinol 0.3% Niacin Renewing Serum, I was intrigued. Having previously enjoyed several of Anua's offerings, I was eager to see how their foray into the realm of retinol serums would fare. After incorporating this serum into my daily regimen for several weeks, I'm excited to share my comprehensive review. Upon receiving the serum, I was immediately impressed by its sleek and minimalist packaging. Housed in a 30 ml airless pump bottle, the serum exudes a sense of sophistication. The pump mechanism ensures hygienic dispensing while also minimizing product waste. The yellowish gel cream texture, coupled with its unscented nature, appealed to my preference for lightweight and fragrance-free formulations. One of the standout features of this serum is its lightweight and non-sticky texture. Upon application, it effortlessly glides onto the skin, imparting a refreshing sensation. I typically use one pea-sized pump on each side of my face, although beginners may opt to start with a smaller amount to acclimate their skin to the potent ingredients. The serum absorbs quickly, leaving behind a smooth and velvety finish, making it suitable for both morning and evening use. Anua's Nano Retinol 0.3% Niacin Renewing Serum boasts a powerhouse blend of ingredients, each chosen for its unique benefits. The inclusion of 0.3% retinol, a gold standard ingredient in anti-aging skincare, piqued my interest. Paired with niacinamide, known for its soothing and barrier-strengthening properties, this serum promises to deliver a myriad of benefits. Niacinamide not only mitigates the potential irritation associated with retinol, but also aids in improving skin texture, addressing signs of aging, and combating acne. Furthermore, the addition of centella, ceramides, and peptides further enhances the serum's efficacy, promoting skin rejuvenation and hydration. After incorporating the serum into my skincare routine for several weeks, I've observed noticeable improvements in my skin's texture and overall appearance. The serum effectively targeted my skin's rough patches and comedones, resulting in a smoother and more refined complexion. In short, this serum offers a gentle yet effective solution for achieving radiant and youthful-looking skin. Enhanced elasticity, improved texture, anti-aging benefits.